Morning, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and break down the trades for today, Thursday, January 8th. All right, so starting off with gold. Gold, we do have, as from what I can see here, we have bearish movement. We're going down. You see, we have the lower high, followed by the lower low here. This looks like it could have broken to an even lower low. So we have bearish confirmation. Looks like it is switching to bullish. We haven't closed above just yet, so we are still bearish market. It looks like a lot of chop. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm probably gonna avoid trading gold today. We are in this range right here. The orb candle closed bearish, price is looking bullish. We are consolidating. I am going to avoid gold for the day entirely. I don't like the movement. I don't like price action. We're going to take a step away from that. MNQ looks very bearish, right off rip. 1 hour time frame, we're bearish. 30-minute time frame, we're bearish. 15-minute time frame, we're bearish. We got a bearish orb, beautiful. We already have a 15-minute close below the low. However, on the 5-minute time frame, we don't have a 3-bar setup, which is what I like to see, which is my confirmation. We didn't get a 3-bar setup, so what I would like to see from here is price to come back in here, give me the opportunity to go short, all the same while waiting for MES to do the same exact thing, and that is reverse down, because MES is, we'll go ahead, we'll do the top down. We are also in a bearish market on MES right now. If we go as far as the 4-hour time frame, we are bearish actually. We have the lower high right up here, higher high, lower low, broke the higher low right here. 1 hour time frame, we are bearish. This is the lower high point, lower low point. So until this low breaks right here, or this high breaks, we are bearish. 30-minute time frame, I'm going to use this same impulse. I'm not going to use this for any reason. So we are bearish, right? We have it marked down there. Orb was bearish, so I would only be interested in sells here. Again, A+ setups only. I'm not taking anything else other than that. So the two markets that I am looking for today are MES and M and Q. Let me go ahead and pull both of those up right here, right now, and I will go ahead and mark this off here. So bearish, 15-minute below orb, but we need it to pull back up, here on MES, we are bearish, no orb, no break of orb yet. So these are the markets that I currently am waiting for, only for sells, and we will go ahead and see what ends up transpiring. All right, guys, so I did end up taking the trade on gold. So analysis kind of just looked too clean to not get in on the action of the longs. Momentum looked super strong. However, I did end up sizing down significantly on the position. So for my typical Apex evaluations, I'm risking about $1,000 to $1,200 per trade on an A+ setup. Since this was an A setup, and the one thing that I was missing was a 15-minute orb candle to be bullish, I ended up risking about $500 on the trade. So I ended up taking out partials on it right now because I am a momentum trader, and we're reaching the later points of the day that I don't like holding through around that 1 o'clock time. So I ended up taking out 90% of the position and leaving one contract open. I could still get another $500 from this trade. I secured about $300 more or less. I'll go ahead and post the P&L for the day, a little bit over $6,000 for the day, which is not bad when you think about it. I'm gonna let the rest run. I do have my sell stop there, protected there, just to keep me safe, just in case price ends up reversing. NASDAQ, however, never ended up doing shit today. As you see here, it kind of just ended up ranging right above the or below the entire day. Looked like it could have been a very nice drop, but we didn't end up getting momentum. It'll probably end up happening sometime later in the day. MES doing the complete opposite, so definitely something that I wanted to avoid. But nonetheless, we will go ahead and just hold this trade on through until the 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock hours, where I'll just automatically close out the positions, just because I don't like holding after session close, and most of these prop firms don't allow overnight trading anyways. But that pretty much just breaks down the day. I couldn't secure as much as I wanted to, obviously, but hey, we're not losing today. We did them securing profit, so we'll go ahead and call it for the day, and we'll be back tomorrow.